All right, we're going to give a quick demo on Winlink HF going from Oahu to Kauai QRP. I'm showing you the picture of nano VNA on the top, and that's what I use to tune up the antennas, just to make sure we're on frequency, because the 705 does not have a built-in antenna tuner. So with this kit, I have it hooked up to a dipole, and now we're going to show you the computer screen. So the computer is ready, and we are going to start the process of the connection right here. Okay, we're starting to get a connect. The gateway at the other end is scanning, so it does take a few tries to make that connection. So back over here. We are making that connection. Okay, on the screen you can see that we're connected to AH7L. Starting to get the traffic coming in. And this is in the morning on Oahu, so I'm not sure what the band conditions are. I probably should have done this later in the afternoon. I might try to redo this in the afternoon, but morning conditions are not the best on 40 meters going long haul. So it does, it is a little setback here, especially with QRP. So we are receiving an incoming message and just received it, and we're done. Okay, thanks for watching. Just wanted to show you that an IC705 does work fine on Winlink HF. Aloha.